Hi everyone, Matt Murphy here from the Zorbit's education team. As educators, we know how important routine is for students. It creates a certain level of predictability and security that is very important for their overall sense of well-being. And all of that is prerequisite for rich learning. But as parents, we know that's easier said than done. So how do we help families inject a little math learning into their daily routines? Well, we try to arm them with a steady stream of bite-sized math tasks that can either be accomplished in 5 minutes of focused attention or activities that will highlight the math involved in things that they're already doing. We have a couple of resources that I want to show you today that will help you provide families with these bite-sized math tasks. Let's have a look. I'm here on my teacher dashboard at dashboard.zorbitsmath.com, and I'm in the assignments area. In previous videos, we had talked about using the assignments feature to deliver weekly challenges. But another strategy may be to deliver more bite-sized daily challenges. I can see I have this week's already set up except for Fridays. So I have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If I want to have a look at what's inside each one, I can click on details here, and it'll tell me that I have one level here, one little 10-minute challenge for the students focused on counting by twos. In this Wednesday one, I have counting by fives. And on Thursday, we're dealing with counting by tens. So let's quickly create Friday's challenge. So this is Friday, April 17th. And we've been doing grade 2 challenges on the planet of Spookulon. We're going to add the content. We can see here all of the different concepts that I could focus on. This week we're dealing with counting by twos, fives, tens, and 25s is what we're going to assign for Friday. One challenge is plenty for our daily challenge. We'll assign it to everybody. And we'll do a custom date. We're going to have it start on the Friday and end on the Saturday. So now we have a bite-sized challenge set up for our students within the game for every day of the week. Great way to start developing this as part of our daily routine. We can also provide offline challenges for students to fit into their daily routine. The Zorbit's Math Daily is a calendar that provides such challenges every single day of the month. These challenges are designed to be completed in 5 minutes, or you can really sink your teeth into them and spend an afternoon talking about the math that's involved. One final point is that routines don't necessarily need to be a daily routine. Even once or twice a week can be considered a huge accomplishment. But the key to success in taking on a challenging routine is to create a sense of community, a sense of camaraderie, and a sense that we're all in this together. So communicate those expectations that we're going to do this every day or twice a week we're going to do this. And let's share in those successes and let's share in those struggles. And together we're going to accomplish this challenge and incorporate a little bit of math into our daily routine. We've got lots more tutorial videos coming your way, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, thanks for watching and best of luck.